can see, otherwise by default it will be like this. Okay, now your backup has been completed. Okay, so what you want to do after complete, you want to download the file, you can download it file, okay, on your local, on your computer. Otherwise, if you want to do migration, for example, if you want to do want to migrate your site from this domain to another domain, you can do that. Just click this migration link, okay, and this is the feature I was talking in this, in the introduction, right? Just copy this migration key, okay, and then this is the source site. This site you want to migrate, right? Just copy it and then go to the destination site. Where do you want to migrate? So I am here in destination site, and just go here, migration cloning, and then on this clone button and paste here. Okay, so I am just pasting the clone key, migration key of the destination site, and then the system will verify this link is okay or not, and everything you can see here information, and then just click the clone. That's all. You don't have to do anything, no any find and replace and nothing. Well, you have to know, you don't have to do any manually. Okay, everything will be done. Okay, so your website is clone and migrate. Okay, this is this simple. Everest backup can handle your migration.